Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your YouTube dashboard, and boom, your channel can no longer make money. Not because you broke a rule, but because your content feels too robotic. Sounds crazy, right? But it's already happening, and soon it will get real. If you're using AI, stock videos, or faceless templates, this might be your final warning. So before your dream channel disappears, let me show you exactly what YouTube now calls inauthentic and how to stay safe, smart, and successful. What is an inauthentic content? Let's imagine this together. You're in school and your teacher gives everyone an assignment or drawing assignment. Instead of doing yours, you just copy your friend's drawing and write your name on it. Is that fair? No, it's not. Inauthentic content simply means content that is not truly original, nor made by you, or feels robotic or low effort. So on YouTube, if your videos are all the same, created using AI voice or script with no changes, or repeating formats with nothing new, or if you post clips and do nothing original with them, then YouTube says, sorry, you can't make money from this kind of content anymore. Also, if your video doesn't show human efforts or creativity, you won't be allowed to make money from it. Now, let's break down the examples of inauthentic content YouTube gave. Number one, all the same type of content or repetitive content. That is, videos that look and sound exactly the same every time. Same content, same format, same voice, just changing a few words or titles. Here is why YouTube doesn't like it. It makes your channel feel lazy and boring. No creativity, no fresh ideas. Viewers don't enjoy it. And YouTube doesn't want that. For example, if you post 100 videos with the same intro, same AI voice, and same text style, and the only thing you keep changing is the title, YouTube will call it repetitive. Number two, videos made with AI voice or AI scripts only with no human editing is an inauthentic content. If your video is 100% made by AI, maybe ChatGPT writes it, a robot voice reads it, and you don't add anything of your own like editing, humor, examples, or real voice, then YouTube considers it inauthentic. YouTube says it feels like a robot made the video, not a human. YouTube wants real people telling stories, teaching, or sharing useful information. Another thing that can make YouTube demonetize your channel is if you post clips or re-uploads from other creators with no added value. That is, you take part of someone else's video, like from TikTok, from a movie, shows, or another YouTuber, and upload it on your own channel without editing, reacting to the video, explaining, or transforming the video. That is basically stealing. You're using someone else's hard work to grow your channel without doing anything new or different with it. With that, you are at risk of getting demonetized. There are channels that will be demonetized. Channels using only AI voice or robotic voice. Two, channels using same format or templates for every video. Channels that do reaction or compilation videos with no added commentary. Now, the big question is, does this mean AI is banned? No, not at all. AI is not the enemy. You can still use AI tools, but you must add your own voice, edit, or creative twist. Think of AI as your kitchen ingredients, but you must be the one cooking the food. Hope you get the point. So don't just post what AI gives you, change it, explain it, or add your face or voice. That's what makes it original. Here are some tips to stay safe and grow your channel. 1. Use your real voice or face if you can. If you are shy, that's okay. Just make sure you still add something personal to the video. 2. Don't rely on AI alone. Add your own flavor. Make the video feel like you made it. 3. Stop posting the same thing every time. Try something new, change your style a bit, and give your viewers something fresh. 4. Always bring value. This cannot be overemphasized. Help people, teach something, entertain. Just make sure your content is worth watching. But note, the 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 10 million short views in 90 days to apply for the monetization is still the same. But now YouTube is saying make sure your content is original and creative or no monetization for you. So don't panic. This update is not to scare you, it is to encourage you to be more creative. Even if you use AI, even if you don't show your face, you can still succeed on YouTube if your videos are meaningful and original. What you have to do is to let your content sound just like you. Let it shine with your own spark. Now is the perfect time to fix your channel and grow it the right way. Until next time, remember, be creative, be original, be you. That is what makes your content special. See you soon.